alik teri amblo South Malekula. And then you make at Olvala John Seti Regan Vanu, you will have a one popular man where before me been one former Prime Minister Ployumilo Vanuatu, MMia now. Yes. And then Losaid Plahem, you make at Director General Plo Internal Affairs, where Ami lead Veramaito, I'm two employee Minomolo, Small Island Lower People. Lo plesia you make at President lo Malambo Province. Ami Sastown lo plesia, Honorable Warren Stephen, I'm now President lo Yumi. And you make at one Honorable Councillor, I'm employee to lo Malekula, more lo South. And you make at first PA lo Education, I'm down behind Vice President lo Malambo Province. First PA blo Yumi lo Ministry blo Internal Affairs. Third PA blo Ministry blo Internal Affairs is a town. Yes. So team blo Yumi oli come town lo Yumi lo afternoon ya. Blo oli mekem Aweanes. First for la Aweanes blo referendum is start teteya now lo afternoon. So mama you fortunate blo you stop. You listen laham. After you go you tell them lo family or people blo Yumi lo community. So after where you start, you me open awareness, you me lo afternoon ya. Bambali ko lo tau tu, mall days will istakam, bambay you me round Malekula. Koko bambay minister iko endem lo pama. Atin emiano mo small introductory talk when you want them give him. Lo at least you save one them now. All people man do you me lo kafman oli kam lo you me oli mekem lo you me lo Malekula. Thank you too much. Bambay me give him. Mr. Kivi Mike, you call all honorable MPs play me, minister play me, plo only stadium talk. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary General. Good afternoon, Limi, all mama, all papa. Honorable Minister plo Internal Affairs, MP plo Malekula. I got all councillor mo president blo province. You may everyone all pablik blo chief, pablik blo mama blo Malekula. I think before we start, we must join him. All previous speaker well, you welcome him, Minister lo morning. Minister, welcome lo Malekula. People blo Malekula, I think he is so fortunate today. Look at you miss have a minister blow vote. Now you glad you got minister blow referendum too. Hem by today, this evening, hem now by me explaining process blow referendum. Imi arem referendum, imi no save. Referendum by minister Italian wetem team blow hem. But me believe say Yumi lo Malekula. Yumi got planned a question. Animi impatient, lo arem, and sablo team lo minister mo minister. I think first one now, when them now, animolia referendum. You miss have a vote. I mean first time after 43 independence, you me introduce one kind of vote pack again. And a good long team, if la clarify him, people blow you me lo Malekula. I think second question. Why referendum? Why? And I'm going to answer him. From me will MP and me will make a walk from me for la village. When me talk short no more, baby budum no more, holding law perspective. Is a full team, me. Why referendum? And when something do good long a team me explain them me. People blow Malekula. When I'm not possible effect. Or consequence, lo vote yes or no. I mean, very important. You may have a referendum, and you can't blame me stop instability. Sanvala lo yumi only no clear yet. But me believes what them presents lo minister lo referendum. By you out today, you know makat confusion law. Brain blow you. Time is go. Mi want them saka mi kami lo team ble honorable minister with them ol kata na refala membable o team. Ivela sabe se Malekula emi bonem one political party ya. Nemblem presidential party. Emi stop go convention san parlament. Totalem se ol kata na linie sistem referendum. You think say good blame me clarify? Only believes we've been visiting the last Christmas. All family blaming and double bush. Only been asking question. We me glad say we tell them say minister of referendum stop by me answer him. Only say when em by Mr. Word lem tomorrow ya lo time lo referendum day. Emi plot change regime. You come out lo parliamentary system. Mo yumi gulo presidential system. All family blomi lo Malekula. Askem question. Askem question. Mi kat response lo query play wala. Me mi kam. You want them tell them thank you, honorable minister. You include me lo delegation play you. I think say mi important. Important se people lo Malekula tu oli karamonaship. Lo gudfala rodia, new vla rodia. You me everyone. All political party. Pamino tok tumas, semena interaction blomi, honorable minister. Yaram all query, meeting semena all common query, all common question where all people blow Malekula. Only one them say me clarify him, answer him question blow gota. Thank you too much, honorable minister.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Minister, Honorable Minister of Education. I think you got one all flabla you where Olga Danali write them constitution, me glad where I'm established this afternoon. Former Deputy Prime Minister, Lord 11 years where you got stability of government. Now me by me point them in one direction where you could me understand him. We do one new MB. We just go inside the parliament. And then we go inside the parliament, we look him big fella issue ya where you make out. And then instability. Minister was down by me talk today. I think I'm number 5 minister for internal affairs. Now so she will look around of one to today. One way you Mr. Fashion, Prime Minister I'm in a looky call for it. Prime Minister belong yumi, Minister more or less looky go behind the backside blame lo look on Minister blame all staff you know run well lo him. All MPs all you know run well him. All you go where all staff. So Prime Minister I mean mo I walk belong him. And he make him say you know sabe movie call for it. So me by me tala mo si mo, me follow all MPs belong Malekula we me follow staff lo parliament, me follow everyone in 40 years finish. Suppose you will all people belong Malekula where you will establish and suppose you will know 40 years. Then I mean him say, you must have support them instability and my country blame me no say moving forward. So me with them simple talk anamo. My minister clear them all ting blame. The me meeting say emi cry blame yumi. Emi cry blame yumi. You want them tell them also say suppose you vote yes lo one, mo no lo one, you know solve a problem here. Suppose you decide say you vote yes lo 17A, after you vote no lo 17B. Situation blame lo one what is a magnum. You must vote yes lo tuvola together. Because only when you vote yes lo tuvola together, then I mean say stability where you must have askem. People only want them, Mamba Mekem. So we want them, thank you, Minister. Thank you, team, you've stopped today. Me glad me part lo team ya, because me believe, say referendum ya. Mamba Mekem long me start them one you've journey blow Vanuatu. Vanuatu where all flap lo me only take me come. Mamba got one new Vanuatu. when hemi start law number 29 May. And we will have Vanuatu ya, hemi blow you me everyone you work together. Blow country belong you me sabe develop you go law for it. You want them small talk ya, you want them tell them thank you. Mo open them sorry blue, listen good law one and by me play tell them this afternoon. Thank you too much.
Thank you, MP. Good afternoon, Yumi, all people below Malekula, Malampa, and Vanuatu. You stop this afternoon. This afternoon, we want to tell you, you're very privileged. You're very privileged. I mean, first Aweanes below referendum where you go one full team, you go one province. So you fly me first time. So with them talk here, me want them. As much as possible, you will come around, so you will be very clear. One question we got, one doubt you got, you ask him. I'm able to clarify. Of course, Honorable Minister is still here, with them, Honorable Minister, and of course, colleague and people too is still here. Me want them before Honorable Minister me come, me give him small talk to him. We want them to tell them, say, lo team where you make lo Ministry of Internal Affairs, so government lo Vanuatu. You make all honorable ministers, council where you start lo place ya. You make an invitation to go lo narrow council up lo Malekula lo lichoine we meet too. And you make all councillors lo place ya too. With them also respected former Deputy Prime Minister. Olvala seti where rengan vanu we start lo place we olgata now the draft them constitution. So you sabe one and we background we ligan wetem in terms lo how only draft them constitution. You may got lo wetem imitu lo team. You may got Ray le start lo place and one officer or senior officer lo state or gov office lo attorney general olgata now the draft them. One and stop naya where you stop talk about ya. So any clarification, you may got all legal people lo place here. And of course you may got electoral team lo place here whereby you make one demonstration where you look how by you fought the referendum. Referendum any different small election lo sense lo how you may vote. So hemia by team emigam, but me give briefly no more. But instead lo you fought lo one candidate or one photo lo one candidate, you fought lo color. You got two color, you got red, more green. Okay, you make clear? Red, more green. You know all face flow, all with them respect, all members we start of place here, all councillors, but hemi red, more green. Hemi all team by demonstrating me how you go vote. You very clear. Me want them further tell them that one way me propose in terms law addition lo chapter ploimia them article 17A mo 17B where you RM. Honorable Minister me go through detail lo one na each one me meaning. You very clear. Okay? You very clear lo 17A emitalem 1M, 17B emitalem 1M. And the question whereby hemi come where you stop whereby you vote lem lo red mo green ya. Process ya come about lo 17A mo B emi one long fala ting. Honorable Minister by hemi historian lo fala road we only been walk about finish. But hemi good you me very clear how only been come, and of course you me got all fala rangan vanu we hemi former drafters lo constitution so li stop while give him one idea lo you. But the good lo you sabe se road emi no start no mo lo last parliament we lo last year. I walk about it, I walk about long time. Now you meet all public servants, but I say, one will key something where you affect them, you meet where you walk, instability, lo country. Every time you want them starting one walk, or you got one budget or one policy semi change from say, you got change lo government and so forth. And that today by you may able to answer them, but me want them tell them say, plante development, no girav naya. As Director General, one little challenge we got them instability we stop around, where we create them so much difficulties. Lo run them, policies for government, lo service government and we got one clear policy and then you implement them, make them say got proper roads or proper service to people. Let them, Honorable Minister, with them all team, but they explain more. But me want them tell them also, say, and we could you stop today. By team, me able to explain them what after law, some talk to we come. But me want them as much as possible, please all people, Malekula, you may come very clear. You may come ask them question, you may very clear, and please, me below you me bargain, or leaders, time you got answer all questions, me clear. Please you go back, you share out information, all family, small friends. By campaign, and we continue, you go. By government of some and villages, you go as far as South Malekula, you go around. But I mean, you will to help them, you make them sure, say, time you come 29th of May, 29th of May, whereby you declare me poll day, or you may go vote the referendum. But you come, you custom right vote, you. I think with them, Pami no Dr. Thomas, Pami give Naya time law. Honorable Minister, lo hemis have camp lo introduce one and women lo talk about. Thank you.
Thank you, Longa Director General, my dear brother, colleague Minister, Longa Education, Honorable Anatol Imak, brother MB Alik, Honorable President, Honorable Councillor, all the distinguished people who will stop. Beginning in Yumi law, Malekula Yumi stop Malamba province. Firstly, we want to acknowledge you from gathering where you stop the day. You talk about one something very important, government or parliament. Or you take a decision lehem. I mean, mekem say, me vola come down the table, pass them out information. You me lo one them by me stop ahead. Lo 2 minutes time. And we want them tell them thank you long. Yumi, we acknowledge him authority where he stop look out to Yumi, mo he accompany me vula kasem now ya. Bambay mi statem tok blue Yumi olsem, Honorable Minister he tell them finish. To vula Honorable MPs blue Yumi lo Malekula li tok finish. Mi vula all MP. Time we will go inside the parliament. Got some for something we will make him good, some for something he no straight. Ale, they got some for actions, more decisions, where people here me show him. But the development he no save go ahead, a full up islands you me. They got plante example. But you take an example of North Soup Airport. North Soup Airport. Money blehem 1.2 billion vatu yumi putum 1.2 billion vatu time we Minister of Finance mi vola putum selene but no happen yet no got one terminal no place ale you too you start cross lo government say mi vola pusum you vola go inside lo parliament you vola go stop change some government from one government ikami putum budget. Ale nara government ni kami se no holem tight pa yumi no mekem first time. Give money lo place from hemi friend yumi. So all work here hemi happen lo 1991 time where yumi no mokat majority government. Lo time. Come UMB hemi split. Fanwaku party hemi split to major political parties yumi lo time. Kasam today yumi got full up political parties, yumi got full up to independent. Only come inside also all independent candidate, only come inside also all candidate, all movements, only stop the parliament. Ale, emi mekem se, mi volei no sabe holam tait one government lo foia. Mi volei no sabe holam tait one government lo foia. Time we got one majority, mi volei move all him 27, 28. 1 or 2 man out, especially time we got independent or some lo political party only no happy. Government he fall down. Because last year, you may got 3 prime ministers. You may got 3 prime ministers. Lo 1 year. You put him down Ismail, President lo UMB. Me volley lift him up Sato Kilman, President lo PPP. Only down him. Only put him Salo Salwai, President lo RMC. And mi wala tu iretip lo tau nam lo time because namba hemi out, namba hemi shift. You must have go from number 4 Prime Minister lo 1 year. And then President hemi decide say, no, emi enough. You will all leaders, you will play lo system. But you will go back to the solution. So, mi will come sit down together. Mi will agree setting fashion ya. Hemi mekem say, every man only saw lo fashion ble yumi. Rau ble yumi. Let them yumi come one place. And you may agree, say you may stop them instability where me stop affect them. Country, government, the shall blame now development and me no have flow smoothly. You go all places play me. So me will go inside the parliament. Me will agree, say by me will change some constitution. Mekem say you must have a whole tight stability. And one section inside the parliament do me will be na tresem. Hemi section number 17, article 17. Law Constitution. Article 17 Law Constitution, and we talk about election of members of parliament. Article 17 Law Constitution, and we talk about election of members of parliament. So, 52 MPs law parliament law time, and we will agree, say, you're right. But you may put them 2 new section go inside. Law section, you will have me to do with them, you mean all MPs. Me not talk about any political grouping where we start talk about now, ya lo Malekula lo start talk about presidential system. Hemi outside lo system ya. Hemi outside. When we talk about lo November, December, me will change some constitution, lo make them sure say ship where you stop them, hemi staple mo hemi angap lo foya. So, you got 2 section where me will go inside the constitution where all the regan vanu hemi town hemi one all signatory ba me give chance lem hemi tok yet. Section number 1 section where me will go inside hemi section 17A. You haram good hemi but you know forget them 17A with them 17B from by Olimpi only make them walk block around them island yeah but you haram 17A with them 17B throughout. 17A emi dalam olsem, emi a new section, emi wala ibutu mi go inside. 17A, emi dalam say, time where you elected olsem 1 member of parliament, you come inside, the parliament house, you represent 1 political party, you no have across the floor. Plo join them nara for the political party back again. Suppose you cross the floor, pampa you lose some seat plo you, pampa you lose some chair plo you. President lo political party where you come inside them lo election pamba hemi right go lo clock hemi say you no more support the party you cross the floor you lose some seat plo you and now me 17A new one when me will me go inside lo constitution hemi all political parties man MP where hemi come inside lo political party 17B number 2 section when me will me go inside lo section 17 Hemi 17B, where Hemi to do with them all independent MP. Or all MP will only come out lo custom movements. Only represent them 1 independent platform. Hemi represent them 1 custom movement. Hemi come inside the parliament. Hemi must affiliate, Hemi must join them narafala 1 political party. Pos hemi come inside also 1 independent candidate, hemi must affiliate, hemi must join with them 1 naravala political party, hemi got 3 manis. Hemi must join the political party. They where hemi decide se bamba hemi no more stable political party, hemi cross the floor, bamba hemi lose some seat play. Hemi now 17B. So 17A, emi blo elbem political party system emi come stronger because experience blo yumi emi show him say fula blo mi volo MP time mi volo go inside mi volo cross from position blo minister emi tok straight tok play narakain pa mi dalam straight no mo time mi volo no happy from say mi volo no kaina for mi volo no karam 1 ministerial portfolio mi switch him mi out lo political party blo mi. I hapen lo party we mi represent van wako party. Mi stap tok lo Union of Moderate Parties and mi GJP. Every political party, every president's long parliament this time, mi vula I agree say enough. Plo yumi mekem people plo yumi oli sava. Yumi change some constitution. Plo mekem say yumi angaram sheep. Yumi angaram stability. Then you will look out them road, plo you put back country long road lo stability back. You now emi do a question when we want them give him lo yumi. 17A, you come inside lo one political party, you change them, you cross the floor lo parliament, you lose some seat plo you. 17B, you come inside also one independent candidate, one custom movement, you change them affiliation plo you, cross the floor, you lose some seat plo you lose some chair plo you. Now question them yourself. No time plo 29 May, the electoral commission emi declare him. But you me vote, yes or no? You agree lo amendment plo constitution ya, or you no agree le? Me will pass and finish. Every political party lo parliament only one, only vote yes. Now question emi come back because why referendum? Because system where you come inside lehem lo parliament, where you stop cham and me do with the parliamentary system you me. So constitution, emi talamol sem. Suppose you want them introduce some all new changes inside the constitution where by me affect them parliamentary system, then parliament you're right, you have a vote lehem. But you must karami ko back, lo people only make him, only vote them. Hemena one mo you me go referendum. Referendum means say refer. You refer them iko back, lo people, lo only vote them whether anyone legal question or anyone policy question. People na ba only vote them. Parliament mi volei change some law we finish. Be emi stop lo people suppose people only agree say on MB enough lo play. Time when you start play, you start losing seat play you. You agree lehem, you agree lo 17A, you vote yes. When me green, pambali show him you how blue you vote. Pos you agree lo 17B, you vote yes. Karam green paper ya pambali show him you vote map lo palot envelope ya. You say kami go inside lo palot box ya. So explanation blame me clear no more. Suppose you want them say you need to swim the salt water a little bit, let me give him more explanation to you outside law. When them you need to Mr. give him lo you voila. You welcome to ask him question also honorable minister mitala. Me vola glad lo answer him question. Me tala lo you voila. Question ya me come back lo you voila say you vola agree. Say Olympi only go inside lo parliament suppose only start play, only start cham. Pamba only lose some seat lo kata you come back again lo people only decide lehem. You agree lehem? You vote yes. Me represent them government. And also minister when me stop random referendum. Me represent them government lo dalam lo you say government and me one lo ting ya. Government and me start campaign for yes. Vote yes. Vote green ya. Yes. To vola kala ya. Stop inside lo referendum act lo 2004. Kala ya you no jusu mol pau dia kala ya low italem si kat green plo yes mo red plo no. So Malekula today mi vole kat opportunity plo mi vole kam explain em lo you vola. Pambai mi vole try em best plo mi vola. Mi eche mo lempis plo you mi all councillors plo you mi go back all communities plo you mi all area councils plo you mi tell out lo people plo you mi say yes you mi vote yes. Vote green. We call up yes 17A with them 17B. Pambauli explain them you. But me summarize them all same. You garam two la to the green. Garam two green paper. You pen them you full map inside. Bali show him you. Now, some vola all this stuff go around now. Ablotalam say all get now only make him hemia. Sorry. I think Bambai got some man only stop confusion you me. But you will no more listen to any narrow grouping. Me vola represent them government, me vola represent them parliament, me vola change some law ya. Now ya me vola karame kamplo give him back to people suppose you agree lehem. You're right. Then Bambai illegal se Bambai you miss have karam one new form of independence. Outlaw territory law instability. Yumi need lo pula maut yumi lo place putum country blo yumi lo place who hemi more stable blo yumi save thrive with them development blo yumi. Pamili him lo place ya. And suppose you got any questions, by me will save answer them and by me give him opportunity lo former Deputy Prime Minister when me one signatory lo constitution. Constitution blo yumi hemi one very simple constitution. Hemi no need lo yumi touch some constitution. Because no more yumi no mo save change some constitution blo. Yumi suppose you got politics hemi change lo 1980, 1970 hemi come. Hemi change plante. Before you got two political parties no more, hemi you right a little bit. Now you got plante political parties. Hemi you right. Article 4 lo constitution hemi give him right lo you set them up political parties, but the more you got, the more discipline MPs me will if I know out say perhaps hemi wrong blo mi vola or maybe wrong blo you vola. But you know save blame mo lempi no mo se lempi o le kam cham cham pe all voters too le cham cham. All voters too le cham cham. So you saka become lo lempi you will go cham cham pe me too me say yes you will too you will vote lo mania the day next week you will vote lo mania. Next election you will cham cham go ya. System ya emi blo elbem you me try stabilize and political system blo you me. Ko pak lo political party systems blo you me. Blo mekem se country emi save enjoy one government. Wo emi save sit down emi stable emi got one policy focus budget iko link him with the policy blo emi save random development on all people lo save. Emi save karamaut hardship. O peten life lo people blo you me. So when by me leave him lo place ya. Me want to invite him former Deputy Prime Minister. Lo hemi stop me appoint him orketa also one mo yimi ko le mola eminent persons advisory group or high all follow yumi or stop with the more knowledge with the wisdom blokata lo time pro independence kam. Yumi kara mo kote come inside lo li help him yumi blokai them yumi and yumi save lin lo kata lo samvola ting ting go yumi want them lo pushum lo side lo referendum lo steer back country lo political order. So Honorable Regan Fano, me God bless you, me invite them you. Thank you. And by me willing, me will have take him some question. Thank you.
Start. Yes, thank you much, Minister. Thank you much for taking me delegation for you. For you, me Aweanes here, from Malekula. So first of all, also me one of the people who really write the constitution. And me remember, say back in 1979, that me valley finish write the constitution here. Me valley divide them, me valley go along every village, every island, to explain constitution me valley draft them. Finish more at the place here. Lo aram se oli talim yes lo hem or no. Me militi one group, mi vela start lo masculine, three, mi vela three. One, Andre Mallory, lo Walarano, another member, emi Albert Sandy, emi lo Villa. And me militi group ya, mi vela start lo masculines, go every village, day and night, every island, go finish lo Tondar, lo where. And another group, emi start lo Akam, go finish lo Matanbat. And message to me, but I take back time here from all people of Malekula, all tell them yes. Constitution we will drop them, we will agree with him. All you know about someone by make them but we agree with him. And then we will go back report law committee where we will come together bargain. Answer me follow we come to Malekula, tell them overwhelming yes. So here I'm talking to Malekula people. Me sabe Malekula very well. Don't forget also. Remember this time when we talk about national issue, Estonia we stand up long way. Memorial Estonia. I mean Memorial Stone Plo memorize them all members for defense force. All man Malekula. Then we got World War II. He come to Vanuatu. Start los Solomon Islands. All man Malekula, all people New Hebrides Defense Force. Plo mekem se boya ino kam lo plesia. He mekem what happened? Boya ino kam lo New Hebrides. So, we talk a lot of people who only take a national issue, I mean, very important in this country. We got Tawen William over there. We do like fight law. Place here, we got rebellion law place here. Sheep law, channel law place here. We go to law where, Tragolicam. We will like protect them place here. We will like give him life law, we will like make him sure say country must get independence. So this time we come with the Honorable Minister delegation plan. Tell him, show him people of Malekula, say me tell him yes. You vote yes, change him, part of constitution. Small no. Me the first one, tell him say no. From even when he draft him. I mean, one of the best constitution in the world, I think. And me for one, I should defend it. He said no, not change him. But me look say, also Minister Aweanes, we go to the law plante instability. Me want them all man Malekula, all people of Vanuatu, all think about all Piginia. Future all Piginia. You want them all get establish one situation where maybe got one government which provide them service from a stable, or you want them all get establish one environment from one government where you provide stability so that Piginini employee me, or you have got good education, or you grow up good, for country and one strong nation. Which one you want them? You want them out of Ansabla? You want speaking blame merely stable one country way shake, or everyone way stable? Vote yes. Because you want to vote yes. Green paper. Vote yes. Don't listen to anybody else. This is the chance where all man were life today, you and I'll be doing it 2 times. Lucky for me. From me, I've got say from constitution protection nation. Many people, I think most people have never got say long constitution. But now is your chance. No mistake. Play vote. Government give chance to vote. You shall have vote. Look back on him. Say, I have been part of that stable government. You tell them no picking employee. But you have to say, who you make him? So you want them to leave something where you say proud learn for future employee, or you want them to give something where you sorry behind them? But you want them to leave something where you sorry learn, vote no. And then bye-bye, vote no, you make them one time new. Nothing. Suppose you vote no, there's nothing new in no. But suppose you vote yes, you make one change. One change for what? For better. And you want them this country, everyone better and stronger country where everyone is proud. Me, Mr. President, me proud to us. Lord, work will make them last 43 years or even more. From me look back on them, only good one, only constructive. All developmental, all the country go forward. You want them proud, Lord Samuel? Time you look back, right? You sure you want them? And suppose you want them? Me come with the minister, back him up, vote yes. And me for everyone, we in advisory group here, me for everyone, we throw him up constitution here, we for live yet, me for everyone, tell him yes, Lord. Suppose me for well, so me tell him before, so tell him yes, me sure say, you know more got question. Apart from that, all members of parliament, everyone, all ministers, everyone, government, all unanimous vote. Who are we to say no? All representative here. So, but me glad to help answer question. But me come no one to tell him say, me come with the minister, show him me one all leader of country here, tell him yes, and we want the everyone yes. You don't listen to anybody else. Listen to me. You're all man. Suppose anybody will want to ask him a question, ask him. Come to me. Rather than confusing people, come to me. I'll be able to put them in the right place. Thank you very much.
Thank you too much, Mr. Setirigan Vanu. By me, Pastor Mikolo DG. Thank you.
Thank you. Solfla Seti Olsem URM, and one of those who write them constitution. So where constitution they come from? One of them vision where you want them constitution I drive them country stop inside them or literacy or living help him. But me quickly take me through law help him team law electoral office. But me before you me take all questions so comments. Kami askem team lo you like stand up lo you try go through quickly no more how you fought lo time lo election. Kami help him team lo imi lo electoral officer staff. Okay, so time where you come fought lo one referendum you been talang finish. So you know fought lo one face lo one man. You fought lo two colors. You got red, you got green, and lo place here, by me fought them two questions or two parts where Honorable Minister me tell them, say by me insert them go inside law constitution. Article 17A after Article 17B. Two together you got red more green. You me clear? Time you can vote, but you go through the process where you start go through them, make sure say only check you, ID blow you and so forth. Process is stand the way now, you try make sure say registration and you go through the place here. Time you go inside, you go vote, Bali give him 4 ballot papers here. You got us again with them, 1 green, 1 red plus 17A, 1 green, 1 red plus 17B. You go inside. You got 1 envelope, Bali give him you. You know 2 envelope, 1 envelope. Okay? So time you go inside, then you make a decision you custom vote you. One way important, you must have say you vote together. Okay? 17A more 17B. You got red more green 17A, red more green 17B. Suppose you agree law insert them or add them, or you agree law Chinese law Article 17A more 17B, you can remote green, law tuvala together, green, you fold them. After you put them, you go inside law envelope you. Let me 1 envelope no more. After you come, you drop them inside law ballot box for you. Am I clear? Am I different, but am I clear? Suppose you not agree, then you vote law red. At this point, you may display green where you only put them inside. Am I clear, you may everyone? Am I one difference law one way by normal election. So, me stop lo place. Thank you to my whole team. By me take many questions. Lo allow him lo minister with the honorable members. So let's have a respond them. Thank you. Suppose you got any question or comment, please you come forward. You tell them or you step up. Thank you, Minister. I think we got some comments or questions.
Yes, from place Blumi, we must make people let me clear. Lo give him a small background no more referendum. We want to invite him Yumi. Lo imikulo article 4 lo constitution paragraph 1. You will listen good lem. And me say no. National sovereignty belongs to people of Vanuatu, which they exercise through their elected representative. You will listen good here. Sovereignty. I mean, people of Vanuatu. People now, I mean, paramount to everyone. People now, I mean, boss. Sovereignty, I mean, using one common word. I mean, king. I mean, sovereign. People of Vanuatu, na ikat power. All kita, all elect them, all representative, lo kita no mo. I mean, with them. I mean, say, people now, you will give him mandate. Mandate long all elected member believe inside the parliament. When them now being observed since 1995, only champ. 1995, I think imikadal besa. Honorable Setirangen Vanu. Emikaram one tough decision lo time ya. Lo side supportem Korman government. And said no. We must folem stability lo country. After law 1995, government change, repeat lo change. Mimi no fried lo word. All elected members of the parliament only abuse him mandate where people give him lo gata. Only no got respect lo yuvala word lo gata. For yuvala no asem lo gata lo ko cham. Only no got respect to the political party lo gata. So from yuvala imi people imi sovereign. Constitution imi provide them some mechanism. Plo people is have talk back again. Emi now li call them referendum. Also, honorable minister talem tam ikat 3 area. Time parliament itachem tribal area. Automatically, it must come karem back blessing blow people from all Katali sovereign. One emi concerning language, one emi parliamentary system, and one emi electoral system. Yumi karem amendment block constitution block karem blessing blow you voila. All amendment ya, only vote unanimously the parliament. But from you voila, you voila sovereign. People emi sovereign. You need block come you voila say yes. Suppose you voila want them say cut stability lo country, you voila must vote yes. Now we are, but I've like stable and blame you man Malekula. Honorable Minister, tell them say, time where me Minister of Finance, and me allocate them 1.2 billion. For one day you mean no cut new airport from instability. You will learn. Article 4 of the Constitution and me clear water. You will learn now. You will learn. Olem sovereignty. Tomorrow, me invite them, you will people of Malekula. From me want them say, development, he can place me. If me want them in stability. So me invite them, you me everyone. What? Yes, loco, karem ol retuanya sakem, putum green. Thank you.
Thank you, MC. Lo hala mi moment ya time ya. Lo mi kam lo kiwin one thing no more. Minister of Internal Affairs, Minister of Education, MP, former Setirangen Vanu, all first PA, you may all people of Malekula. Suppose stability. And you could look 4 years, I think by me what 4. But suppose stability and you know could look 4 years, one and no you be saving mekem. Thank you. Me come back to question. Suppose you come and you could look 4 years, and me number 1. But suppose you come and you know could look 4 years, one and no by me mekem. Thank you.
Amendment lo constitution changes lo constitution and we not take them out right lo MB lo only change some government. You are remember? Changes lo constitution and we not take them out right lo MB lo change some government. And we mean him say you still have a change some government. But you must make them a political party. Time when you want them change some government, political parties only change them. You know him, you one stick fire, you should like him. Nara stick fire, you should like him. But like guy you mean no save tan, no suspend. And then me system where you been facing lo 1995, basically 91, 95 he come. Time where Olembi, only decides say, only select him down, go number block government, and select come down. So, you still have a change in government, but you do him the political party. Thank you.
Thank you too much. Time is still open. Blow, so you got any question, you sabe come. Me got one question. Honorable Minister. Question do me yourself. Referendum. Okay. Minister, you say by you give time the first time. Thank you, MP.
Mr. Frando talem lo gudfala say me when you will MP when me just go inside. And when me talem all sem lo gudfala me very difficult. Me difficult no more from where today you go look one minister, you talk about one project with them, tomorrow me change. And so me feel all MPs, me feel I find them in me heart. Me feel I make them all work. I think plante long me looking more changes with that, but me honest no tell them lo say lo me this legislature time me come in with them one very difficult time. Because me come in to face them instability where me stop. No instability ya, I mean mekem say by me honest to the minister stop. The plante all minister time me got one motion and me stop today. All minister no make one work. All stop office blogata, betting thing blogata no stop all. Duties more responsibilities blogata well should make them. All stop no more. Me vela all MPs, me vela got caucus after caucus after caucus. Me vela sabe sit down ya go tell like tomorrow. Just no stress me vela out. Me vela stress out no more. No make them want something. Me vela come low one mode where me vela wait no more. Wait. Go. Me vela sabe wait. 1 month, 2 months, stop down. No more stop wait nothing. And all people blame me lo Malekula. Me no want them go stop wait nothing also me. And also more vela play me talem finish. Time only write them constitution ya. And me could too much. Me tell him thank you, Lohem, where we stop the day. But I think now where me come time where you make a all schoolman only go. Instead of schoolman ya, only make him you become one direction where me good. You me face same situation ya now. You me face same situation ya where me vela all MP said, if I name all small road blow, me vela is have go. And me Mr. Sakam talk ya, I think plante lo vilarem. Flashing out them all MP all frog. Me dalen so lempi no all frog. Me dalen so lempi all anis. From all strong no more tam suka kapside lo place ya. Oli koya, oli staba tam oli flat tam suka lo place ya. Oli luglugi ko na side. Pos suka kapside lo nar side ya. Oli ko nar side ya. Yes, I think minister dalen one small example minister me dalen me now. So all families blow me. Suppose you truly want them, you may change them. Remember, I may not touch them you when you stop outside. I may only touch them one MP that you go inside the parliament. Not touch a man when you stop outside. You want them stand up independent, you want them stand up your own political party, you go ahead and stand up. But time you go inside the parliament, pleasure now. Constitution belong to me, and me protect them, you may got stability. I mean, no more. No got one narrow place. From suppose you fought yes lo one after no lo narrow one. Mambai 300 million we come man me. Make me Mr. Work out there. Me by me honest but tell the minister by me one waste of money. People blow one what only must decide yes. Play me vote yes. Mambai me vela sabe talk mas but choice me play you la one. You know choice play me. Me sabe talem yes lo parliament, me sabe kam stand up lo please lo talem say you vote yes. But lo end lo day freedom of choice ya and me blue you choose. So you want them choose also more la say me talem you want them choose lo beginning ya tomorrow. You know vote no. So you want them vote yes, you start vote lo beginning ya tomorrow. So you vote no today or lo 29 me no sabe where place but you captain MC ya. But me honest lo talem lo say And I want him to happen today. But I suppose he got 1/4 of no confidence now, yeah? Time only reaches strength, time me come into order straight. Me will go camp. Me will spend them 1 month block camp, 2 months block camp, 3 months block camp. Let's come from one of them. Me will stop camp no more from where. Today mane kam stalo blisa tomorrow mi klisi goya. Katumas namaray. Me talk straight no more. Yes. Suppose you me make a memia, pamay mi minim se time where you me go lo election. After lo election, you no need lo me go lo camp. From time president lo party lo me talem say me talk to them president lo FP say me to life for mem kaman. That's it. Me no need to stop camp. And mena wane mo im sa time lo go lo hem. Today, pa you look one em stop happen. Sorry blo talembe. One president is a town outside ya. One MP blame is stop outside ya. One president is stop long way. One MP blame is stop long way. Pa you no sabe folem road al family. Mimi is a stand up one MP blame fly lo Malekula. One ifla MP. And Mr. within one heart way, he trouble. Because suppose you want them nation blame me crow. You know got narvala rot. So si mi want them instability, mi change some instability, come stability, got one rot no more. You vote yes. Thank you too much.
You got kwestin, you can askem. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, Honorable MP, Honorable President, all councillors, all members where you will come to delegation. Me with them Ragan Manu, we will like fight them 78, 79. Time me find them sweat time, lo blessa lo ill. Cap money no got lo blessa me look out them pretty sami. And fortunately, me will make them constitution. Me support them. Mi tok lo telephone telegram, olgeta lo wala rano, oliaren vau. Rebo lo liwane atake mi blo sutu mi haito lo busia mi plomiena. And today mi fortunate mi glad mi lugol man Malekula oli happy Salem Market business lo taxi. Ino hemia no mo. Point blo mi want to make him say mi conclude lo budum kolta I round lo Malekula hem blo mi. So si kap man no gat budget. Me want to make a negotiation between minister consent. Plomba mi la make him kolda. Parman Malekula ipen. Malekula ipen ba kolda. Ikat way plo mi stop. Mi putum fiti say apolo no soup. What them Pranis kapman. The negotiation no mo. Pe mi man Malekula isa pe make him kolda. You make him checkpoint. Semak lo numia. Olman way kolo Franis lo numia. Honorable MP. You mi sa make him. You mi vote yes. Ploy mi sensem constitution. Ploy mi sensem lo mi mekem show se ti lo miniko generation bol bigini wo ivela stable podia pa mi benefit lan. Ino mi vela finish. Thank you too much. And we want to give him no more support lo when honorable minister with them team blo ivela come. Thank you.
Time is still open. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Education with Internal Affairs. Mo every honorable leaders with Lestalo Blessa, mo especially you've everyone with Lestalo Market. People blo Malekula or people blo Malamba province. Me want to tell them thank you. Me got chance here blo me serve folem delegation blo minister blo come. Me want to tell them also me no more say. Every political party is supposed to listen to last parliament. Every presidents, political parties, only put support get only askem. You've everyone where you've established islands, me 16 constituencies, you've everyone you vote yes. From when we minister him Italian today with them delegation blahem, you meet tight here now. Me one where Mr. walks small with them all leaders here, me tight. Maybe you milo Malekula where you Mr. Loble say you're right. But time you call lo backway, you call lo Torres long way. You know, sabes all people blow Torres or blow Vanuatu or blow Solomon Island. So me understand about some national coordinator blow Vanuatu party, honorable councillor with them all people blay you, with them all not 5 councillors where you've start lo bless you, with them all people blay you me, with them all supporters where you've been vote. Lo last snap election. Lo Vanuatu party, me askem you everyone, lo name lo National Executive Council, blow you vote yes. You know makateni bless blow you me ko. You may want to get stability, you may want to get symbol maturity, lo government blow is stable, blow you be mekem development, you vote yes. Number 2, talk when we want to sakem lo bless ya. Tamba you me ko lo election lo 29, but you panic. But you sick, also every time. But also one mama, me want to tell them also, you take them time, you. From election year, whereby you may call lehem lo 29. But he one election also, all for lehem is down and me tell them, but you one where you contribute, blow you write them, you inside the constitution. So you take them time, you. You go, you take them 4 for la paper ya. You karama 2 for la green one no more. You no must put 1 green, no must put 1 red from by you folem vote blue you. You take them time. You vote them 2 for la green. Karam 2 green paper. You put to me inside. Time you savvy say you make a meme. You savvy say vote blue. You probably count them yes. You vote yes. You will everyone your way. You will stop now. You will start look me talk. But you will mouth blow delegation blow government blow tell them lo 2-3 pike and lo village. Lo side lo house play you where him no stop this afternoon. Share ma talk ya. But talk you pick one. Be you ko talem no mo say time blow vote you ko karama 2 green paper you full map you can say so you tight lo harem say government need change. By lo 29 you me put stop lo kainia. From suppose now yes was Vanuatu party GJB leaders or you agree la RMC but on get you move with them every MP blogata. But you know, 1 MP, we start Ronwelo Vanuatu party, Ronwelo UMP, Ronwelo GJB leaders, everyone by no every political party, Bali go together with them all member together. But me want to tell them also, me congratulate them, Honorable Prime Minister. We have me face some challenge, but this time government blame me believe, but me stop like take them you me go through. So also when me tell them finish, you me everyone we stop all political parties. You savait talem Hamas, we savait talem be president bleu you, so you believe lehem. And me askem you bleu you vote yes. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. All mama will you stop salem kakai. You want to ask one question to you? You sabe one more lista talk about the afternoon or no? Madam look hand to you, so you sabe one more lista talk about. You, oh, I think by you need to make 1 Aweanes bargain. You will have 1 minute talk about, huh? Okay, thank you, Thomas.
Good afternoon, Honorable Minister, Development Minister with staff, MPs who will staff, Honorable Presidents, wetem councillors who will staff, former Prime Minister's Prime Vanuatu, who have staff, Honorable City, wetem Narfla leaders who will staff. We got 1 question of askem. You want them askem also. Inside Vanuatu, you make 3 floor executive power with staff. You make up legislative, where we formed by Council of Ministers, more judiciaries, where we justice. Them 3 flag executive power, parliament. So me want to ask them, now you Mr. Kam talk about referendum. The referendum has been passed inside the parliament finish. Pilu you Mr. Talk you pass inside the parliament finish. You may pass him. Now we want them ask him say that you will come back, people. Sorry. Also, bill imi bill integrity bill been passed in the parliament. Now, you become making one referendum. You make a back people. I mean, when the askem say, am straight, or people should carry them first time, should understand it before you go inside the parliament, but you will pass him. One question for especially bill no pass, or referendum no pass. One them now, next step for by you meet again. Law issue with him stop. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you, long question. Suppose we understand them good. Say for one them now, if we go back law referendum while parliament and been pass them unanimously. I think we been talk about small, but good law me repeat them. I mean a constitution requirement. Italem say tayo mi touchem 3 area. One emi lo side blow language. One emi silo side blow electoral system. One emi parliamentary system. Tayo mi touchem lo one lo trifla area. We must go back. Askem people were me only sovereign inside the country blow me give him blessing blow him. So lo this time tayo we amend them Article 17. I made them up 17A or 17B. By me touch them a little bit parliamentary system. So from me touch them parliamentary system, one requirement under law constitution, you must go back law people. Law emi talem yes or no law amendment. Now every exercise where Honorable Minister Law Internal Affairs mi try mekem and mekem say two imi putting one full stop long instability. Mi lokol say Mr. Kam lohen pami dekmat hat blumi ol sem minister. Alam mi choinem kel blumi Marlin. Emi tok pa VP. Mimi wanda apil ol supportable UMP. Ol supportable moderate. Yumi ol moderate imi tok pa development. Me development ino sabe kam into reality for ikatu mas instability. Mi vla 7 MP blo UMP. Mi vla vote yes. Yes. And this time Mr. Apilo, you mean everyone, all gadals, you mean everyone man Malekula, man particularly all supportable UMP party. Please, you may put on one full stop law instability. Law give him confidence long all investors. And law create them tomorrow. Prosperity. We want them make them small political campaign. One man ikaram inside the secretary Mr. Vicente, you open them track, he got one post up law you milo bisa. Mi dekmat mi tala minister, mi dekmat hat lo mi minister, mi make small campaign leave la. One emia. Sorry, kat one era lo printing lo pesia. Be emia now. Emia now ba you la look. UMP party. One of the biggest political party inside the country, blow you me. Talem say, lo national referendum, lo 29 May 2024. You me everyone, me vote yes. You will look green. Mi talem you will sakamul retwana, sakalu pubel. And me putting one full stop, lo political instability. Tayo me putting one full stop, lo instability. He me give him more confidence, lo investors. Or you stop block creating prosperity block people block Vanuatu. Emia now political stand block UMP party. Pami vla kole mi vla I think lo next month so after next month is pami come down. Mi vla call about askem block people block Malamba at large, more particularly people block Malekula you will vote yes. Thank you, Thomas.
Still got question or no? Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, honorable ministers, MP, President Malama Province, with the honorable councillors. May one firstly tell them thank you, time leave we will come down. Level blue people, mekem one kind of awareness. Secondly, me want to tell them thank you to MPs, me will decide the one road, people Vanuatu. You may everyone may survey all situation blow country. You don't need to me repeating back and you may Malekula we missed today. I think the last time everyone me hear all news. You may look him. Planning me complain, planning me to talk plante. Permitting still big man me sabte money la road na, but take me go wana rula road lo politic bagan. Mimi one talam also me one citizen blow malampa. All family me stop today. Plante to talk is stop around say by you may deprive Olympics lo right lo kada. Problem sa move all bot. Tapi Mr. Nablo today blow talam me also one voter tu. We me cast them vote me lo one MP. Ikolo parliament. Or one candidate, one election, me try to look at instability. Me try to look at me form one government 2-3 months after you must change some government back. And you must cry from development by me couldn't cry so you know change some system. By me cry all time, by me cry all life for me. And me no sabe what time by me change but me want to tell them thank you leaders for me, well sabe ting plante. And me aram plante del saptam la afternoon today. I think majority lo MPs of parliament and vote for Aweanes. So establish you me now, all people. Plumi tinting hut, tayo lugaron lo malampa, lugaron lo Malekula, you make space plomo develop money kamet, pe islo. And why me slow? Meeting se one local reason se me slow me from instability now. So she make a one stable government, you me show se by development me sabe drive easily make am town level pimilo province. So me stand about this afternoon lo talam limi, me no say maybe pa me right to talam no, pe me meeting se pa me vote yes from. Meeting se by you me say make him change law. System we Mr. Facil today. Before me finish, me want to ask him, Lomos was me have some clarification. No more do something. No me want to ask him this afternoon. First one, think meeting say me say me become little bit pay. You miss say by one MP that Mr. inside the Parliament 4 years. Then me say move anywhere. But after lo temblem lo Parliament, suppose me start call next election. I mean, sabe move for narva political party, affiliate narva political party, or minimum you understand sabe. Number two something, you make a family plan families people, support about lo narva places too. Well, you know sabe stable time by me control for referendum. By me sema some process for elections, no way by. You got proxy too, or minimum is I. Thank you too much.
Thank you. Question around say whether those who are listed overseas, whether you want student, you want seasonal worker, whether by you vote lo referendum. Yes, answer blame. By you vote lo referendum, by you make sure say either you got one polling station, lo Australia, or couple of polling stations, lo New Zealand, and also lo Fiji. But you may also allow him proxy vote, blame hapen, blame make him say you may everyone vote. As much as possible, you want them make him sure say every man he must vote. I mean, I desire blame me. So, question blow you, yes, but you make him sure say everyone he must vote lo time.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Thomas. All questions we have raised. In relation to question we have raised, Angela, article constitution by 29 May by him to vote yes or no from. Time say you want one leader of one political party or one member of the political party. Time you elected, you go inside law parliament. You must remain the political party where you go inside the parliament from throughout the term of parliament. And once time term of parliament and we finish, suppose you want them to join one other political party, and may start you want to go run as independent, establish you. But once time you elected to go inside the parliament, you affiliate with one political party, you remain with the political party at the same time, end the term of parliament and we finish. Thank you, Thomas.
One supplementary answer mo. Freedom. Article 5 emi talem se freedom of movement emi guarantee Constitutional Republic Global to not emi guarantee freedom of movement. Emi tok outside lo parliament. Ibin got one court of appeal decision. Say you come inside lo parliament, you exercise him freedom ya also one member of lo parliament. Emi mi want to restrict him. Law Article 7A, 17A or 17B. But I mean not touch him. Absolute freedom of movement, expression outside. You may regulate them no more. Within present lo parliament, lo avoid them. Say you will qualify me will also more frog. All bilitik, only cham overnight. If you now, if you want them regulate them place here, mo putong one full stop long here. Thank you too much.
Okay, good afternoon, Minister, Madam Tola Ministers, MP, more delegation below you. Good afternoon, everyone. We got one or two something of the talent. First, something when we want them mekem, me want to make one small comment. Comment below me goal sem. All MPs where you me fly been elected, me volalo time lo election. Me fly been kim one trust. Mi falei ki one mandate. Mi falei ki one hat lo mi falei lo you fala all ministers all MPs. Lo you got one candidate lo hem ka one MP. And kwestin lo mi say from one all people ya all grassroots ya. With me also one grassroots. Mi falei I trust them you fala lo make one gudfala work lo make he got stability lo way. You fly go inside. You fly make him instability. Anyone consent lo mi fala. When mi fly all for this. When mi fly for them you fala. Lo go inside. Lo make him stability. You mi look all frog all stop some all power. Well, some you mi stop describing now ya. So anyone comment blow me put them low. All MPs blow you me. Time you elect them, you will blow inside, me will trust them, you will you will stand up, party blow you will you stop blow, maintain them stability. He no blow you some all power. He no blow you some all power. Sorry, me tell him also, me tell him straight you will, pay him one feeling, him one thing blow me will away. All for us, me will for them, you will blow go inside. Next question blow me say. Next one, hemi question let me say. Time where you referendum hemi camp you me for them yes. You know one fundamental right lo one citizen. You know one fundamental right lo one citizen also one MP lo. You wanna lo I cross him flow. Me no encourage him. But lo some lo ting lo some lo mi vela say time where you one MP you elected also one MP you come also one you represent all people yeah and then you represent the people And time you move or you make one something or you join one political party. Hemi one right blue, one fundamental right blue you join him. Hemi one very way of peace. I think you play look low, FB, some low, plante low, holman or listak homen. Me want to put to me come low team way him stop. And last something when we want to tell him no say she was today by me fly forth or some me fly forth yes by tomorrow by you not got instability. And next one have be no good Mr. Ford. Yes now yeah. But Mr. Saka one trap, Mr. Set him up one trap whereby future blue you me. By him one danger. I one question blame no more thank you. Okay, thank you, Minister. No, wholesome. You got some issue. You got some incidents where, or you got some scenario where you may been go through them. So she me taking one example. So she me right or me wrong. One prime minister, Playumi, says Fogor, have you been called China, Taiwan, and sign a relationship with them, Taiwanese government. Below that time, Fulab MP Luyumi only been cross and flow, only go forth blow Karamat says, also prime minister Luyumi. She was me right or me wrong, but have me one something where time we have me only for them out. You make him see you make got one. You may continue, you may got a relationship with them China. Sorry, she was me right or me wrong, but you like correct me. But him one where he say, the future she was make one something now here, but him no come affect me back and thank you.
Thank you, Longa. Question will you give him? Me listen to question to you. When me haram also you talk a little bit lower lembise, which is good. You talk a little bit lower lembise. You will go inside. Me will give him mandate to you all. You know block sta jam. Me lo one hand, naravala hand say you let go freedom. You go lower lembi back again from Article 5 law Constitution. And we talk about fundamental rights law. One citizen. But Article 17, let me talk about election of members of parliament. Let me not address them fundamental rights here law, Article 5 law Constitution. So right you also one citizen, let me stop. Right law MB, who now let me better explain him right, more defend them right law one MB him one yet, but let me tell him say yes. No, you limit them right law me. But inside law flow parliament every MB only agree say, me will agree say by hemi limit him right ya fundamental right lo mi volay cham mi volay agree say by mi volay stop him. You got some point there. So hemi no totally karamau right lo MB or some one citizen be right him time we hemi stop inside lo parliament. Because Article 17 let me talk about election of members of parliament. Okay, so yes, Article 17, let me not touch some fundamental right law because I have some confusion where, fundamental right law all citizens. I have some confusion where I go out of Facebook na say, hemi come block out the right law on people, law freedom of movement, freedom of expression, freedom to life, with the more narrow fundamental rights, law Article 5, yeah, hemi no karamount. Hemi restrict them right or movement law on MPs inside the parliament. Time when you elect them, hemi come inside. Law ensure say you make that stability. I think question law naravalawan, I think hemi outside the little bit, pamino touch some place. For sure, right law citizens, you may not touch them. You may talk about election of members of parliament, law Article 17, law Constitution. Thank you.
We want to make them small point. I must say, constitution here, and we provide for plante something here. Also, Public Service Commission, where we responsible for the man who work in government. Judicial Service Commission, where we responsible for the work of justice. And Plante Commission, Police Commission, and each of that commission, and we got on rule for him, for folem. For make him sure, make him work, for make him good. And then we provide for Parliament. And Parliament must make its own rule. There is its rule. But you got one loophole inside the constitution here, where in not touch in place here, he make him say we want to improve constitution here, for make him rule from Parliament, and make him more good, for he got good Parliament, good government. So this is all there is about. You may not talk about people outside. You may talk about people within Parliament, where you got the right to make on rule, but there are points here where you may have finished time, one legislation, and we require people only must got say law him through law referendum. I mean, I'm going to explain it. So you not take about right for anyone outside the constitution. Rule from Parliament. You must not talk about.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Honorable Minister, Internal Affairs, Minister of Education, all directors, teachers, President, every councillor. Malama province, even Yumi Malekula, or Mamuli staff, Paul Pingini. Mimi also one councillor Yumi Malekula, councillor Fipi, Minister of Mia Mistona. Lo taram lo yumi lo this afternoon by me vote yes. Narola council lo mi lo for Phoebe and me stone Willie Palmet by me vote yes. And once again, Minister, think it must lo coming to you with delegation to you. Yumi by me sto small place you move small. Me got one question do by me give him to you. Lo you clear mo tem people lo mi lo blessa. Wetem mi final mama lo mi lo blessa mi confusion about the presidential system. Sorry. From flap lo mi fila ya mi fully member inside lo presidential system and tete you beli kami you beli human confusion lo mi fila tu all of us lo mi fila. That's why no you know me. That's why also minister lo mi. Me want kawan salah beliau, me want them see you clear them small about the presidential system from about referendum. Lo you me national referendum. You me from full up alikam confusion me full up plante, but at least me also want kawan salah. Me want them see by you have stand up with them hono me you mikat me give me you. Lo you have clear them with them people lo me. Thank you too much. Thank you, Lo question. Yes, me also when we been talem today, Elia. Se Malekula ya yumina yumi katuan political party awali talem presidential party. Ani kat plan de campaign ko round. Oli mekem fundraise yarem. Oli koko as far as oli convince you samala ololula chief blue yumi se. All thing well been preaching all past years, it become reality now. Referendum iko bloy imi come out law parliamentary system, and by me butum in place presidential system. Me want them tell them law you me everyone we stop law market it. Please, if la ko preaching law home bloy vola referendum ya by me no change them. Current parliamentary system. Regime by no change. But tomorrow after election, by you no come back, blow electing one president. I mean, you must clear you everyone. Yumi people blo Malekula samda yumi stop listen lo. Also wala tok tok. Wan kutula tok tok. Be emia kiaman tok tok. Pami mas tale mol sem numo. Emia tok tok blo fundraising ya. Emia blo convince mo lo blo yumi. Convince mo mama bli mi welcome lo market mi lu ko li mekem market ale li kontablo Wilking Stadium ya. Oli fundraise lo ifla. You last stop lo give money. Dream yan by no come true. We want them tale mol sem se political movement ya, political party ya. Me same question libla. Emi kacha amas MP inside lo parliament. Au kame mi no kat nam by mi pasem one law. Emi no kat man. Voice play mi vila no arem nothing inside lo parliament. So, you know kat. Me want them say vila ko. Talem true talk lo people blo yumi. So you stop lo fundraise. Lo fundraise blo one single man. I mean preach ko I mean dream ya. Me want them finish also mala mi ati vila sabe mi kamangot lo Malekula lo northwest ya. Presidential system. Hemi good lo one side but hemi by me no ko in line with them custom blo me. Mr. Tali vila ya no. Suppose me one day you must say me no mekem discrimination against a small woman. You putong one woman we come out lombangi sale. Ol kata custom blo kata blo penem kawa. Sorry, pami wala lo northwest ya. Pamila no sa putu mi kamen said lo. Nakamal blo wala. From me custom blo wala. Presidential system people let me decide. Whatever color blo you, whatever custom blo you. Me kat sambala reservation lo blo from meeting sem by me program custom blo mi loma northwest Malekula. Me want them repeating referendum yan by no change parliamentary system blo republic blo Vanuatu where all man all sem seti ringen Vanu only draft them lo 1979 by no cut one single change lo. Thank you too much.
By me at them voice again lo question honorable councillor me give him ya. Me no come lo place lo me talk about presidential system from parliament and me no give him mandate ya lo me vola. Lo talk about parliamentary lo talk about presidential system. Government do no give him mandate ya lo me you'll say minister responsible for referendum or elections. Lo me talk about presidential system. Pe mi atem lo talk problem se constitution bli yumi emi holem tait parliamentary democracy system wo yumi katia. Constitution bli yumi emi kivim bli yumi parliamentary democracy system wo yumi katia. Ale one lo all people lo emi askem se you go change lo parliament first time ale you garame kam lo mi volei vote le mi talem se yes. Because people now hemi ratify him. People now hemi give him last endorsement ble him. Time all MPs ble you will only come inside the parliament. Only look say road him now. You may take him step ya. You may go lo direction ya. But you must cut one referendum lo refer me go back lo people lo only ratify him only endorse him. Say yes road ya na hemi straight. But ating presidential system may start down ni stakamanta. Ating pai kasem lo parliament yet. Be hemena hemi one challenge say before you change him constitution pakaken ploko pak lo presidential system mi wana dalam lo yuwala. Emi no one simple something ya. Lo yo you mi sa talk about the day when mi wala ipasem lo 2023. Sam lo mi wala ikam inside lo 2016. Low ya hemi start finish lo 2011. Amendment ni start lo 2011 finish ya. Mi volay kam lo 2016 inokat namba. Mi volay list mi ko lo bills coincide Olympia oli no supportem. Karamaut. Ale 2017, 2018, 19, kasem 2023, mi volei just find them number, blow change some constitution ya. Now time when people only talk about presidential system, hemi one big shift law parliamentary system blue yumi ya, bamba hemi one big shift. And blue you mekem hemia, you must got 52 MPs lo parliament blow only say yes first time. Suppose you know have find them number inside the parliament, but you change some system from parliamentary democracy, you go inside the presidential system. Then, let's say me no naflo mi answer. Yes. But lo me think say I think hemi time blow. You me correct them system where you me got the parliamentary democracy system, but you me hemi wo hemi no walk out. You me make him. Kalau you change some system, you go to presidential system, you must got one referendum back again. Ino hemia. Hemia na ya, hemi blow all movement, blow all MP, hemia now ya. Hemi not to do with the presidential, with the parliamentary democracy system, blow you me got now. Because any man is not talk about hemia. Hemi one kiaman man. Lo pambay lo country blow you me, even lo Bible too, hemi dalam si all man oli kiaman, papa lo kata hemi lo site ya, ino lo site ya. Yes. So, mi live him hemia lo yuvala, but mi think se also mol man school, ba yumi no confusion mol people blo yumi katam kopra lo backside blo kata blo yumi karam small silent blo kata blo yumi full map pocket blo yumi from one lo always something when ba you must make him blo you achieve him presidential system where yumi start talk about ya you must got majority blo MPs at least 38 only must vote blo yumi change which mi vola hemi no easy and lo mi one mi stop declare him say also secretary general lo van okupati hemi amba hemi no possible from no more unless you fulfill all requirement ble hemi kam you got him all man lo parliament only vote lehem you got enough MP lo parliament only convince lo system ya maybe you got some good benefit lehem lo system ya but you meet them 360 degrees shift lo direction ya hemi difficult. And me want them talam lo you will patient, you will look at me also me to do with them champ lo Olympics hemi no to do with them presidential system. Because any man come talk about them ya, hemi no stop lo agenda lo parliament ya with them government we stop it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, lo correction Honorable Minister. I think you may look say time is stop running out. You may start lo question, but at least you may not got the question. Meetings every man you agree. But you may give time lo Honorable President. I may got something to tell him. Thank you.
Thank you, MC, and thank you to the Honorable Ministers and all MPs where you may have established this afternoon. All good citizens from Malekula and Malamba province. You may haram talk awareness about the referendum, may loud, more clear. Lo you may lo this afternoon. Or some president lo you may lo province from Malamba. All challenges where you may look him, and may happen lo provincial government. Where you may want them say me one must lo development only must happen. But if I know something happen. You have a good answers plan. All 52 members of parliament only decide to finish. And all presidents from all political party only decide to finish. And you me all good citizen from Malekula, especially. And Malamba province. Or some president from Malamba, Mr. Habil, Igamlo Yumi. Say, everyone road map. Lo Yumi hands together, you me walk out together. Lo Yumi looking better. Way forward ya, lo all beginning future, lo yumi wali sa kampiyan. What them talk ya, me like lo give him, me release about them, ano me will all presidents, bambay, me will talk lo sabo them, say vote yes, from yumi tight. Instability, you may get tight lahat. You may want one stable government, lo you may achieve him. All goals, lo one government, all developments, where you may all provinces, you may want them looking me happen down the ground. So, Honorable Minister, thank you too much for the delegation. At the first time, Referandom Aweanes, where Mr. Staff of Malaysia, Mr. President Blomalaba, me fully support them. Assemble people from Malekula. 4th years law, number 29, May. Thank you.
Thank you, President, and thank you to all honorable ministers, where you lay make more clarifications. MP, we stop, all Narawan, all citizens, all families, lo yumi lo Malekula, Malampa, o Vanuatu. Sa tingin mi kam lo en blo Aweanes plimi, baigat all Aweanes mi goa eta. So naya by team minute blo movie lo tautu. Tomorrow lo kona point lo morning, and then oli ko lo lingerak before lunchtime. Lo yumi cover ma boleris lo before you go lo rensari mo unwa o lerisia, and then come back. Yumi lo you stop lo you blow beef. Suppose you want them, but I'm like Savarane one small Aweanes play lo afternoon tomorrow lo one short time. But team mi plan blo go down. Mi sabe se you got full of question. You na plante you talk behind the Facebook also one citizen blow beef. Please you come you ask him very clear question blow you. Blow make him say answers by me come very clear. You mean no make him all statement blow cloud them you me just ask him answer him straight. A question him straight so that answer him straight. Okay? So me take him say you me everyone you me now you me clear. We want to tell him thank you lo behalf lo honorable ministers we start lo place here. Lo opportunity we will come vlarem, and again me appeal lo you will go out, pass him information. 29 of May time blo you vote. You know got 1 month blo you no come vote. Every time blo you come vote. Please you come vote. Make him right decision blo you. And me expect him say every month Vanuatu and me vote lo time. Whether you stop lo overseas, you start look lo live stream naya. By you must vote lo time too, including all students will start overseas. Whether me bagan, lo behalf lo team bagan, we want to tell them thank you so much and thank you all mama where you place a patient lo me, where you place a you have a some time and thank you all audience where you start lo place here. Please pass him Aweanes here, all information about Aweanes where by hapen, and those where you after lo unwa by Aweanes me continue lo Thursday, Friday me start go. Thursday in fact by him start lo you me lo northeast. Also, you may go from northwest, and then Friday you go, you may start moving go south, east, south, and you may go around lo southwest and come back lo place here. Hopefully by next week, team may finish lo Thursday. By honorable minister, by minister, by got all MPs with all councillors, we probably take them up with them all administrators and so forth. Lo Friday next week, by him start lo Pama. So you blow Pama, you start passing information na you lo Pama. Lo make him say Friday, by Aweanes start lo Pama. Lo make him say you me complete in full Malampa, and then team me move go lo San Mana. With them back and suppose you got any question, please, all area administrator, province staff, all Narvala government officials, all staff, lo list continue blow help him you blow you understand him. You know what you come lo 29, you know clear. Please you come lo 29, you very clear blow vote blow you. Thank you too much. Them back and thank you so much. Eraswar.